Pating Reviews presents Igloo ICEB26HNAQ Portable Electric Ice Maker. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also check out the link to this product in the description below to get it the best possible price. Excellent product, glad we purchased this. We bought a new fridge and decided to get this product instead of an ice maker dispenser in our new freezer. Very glad we made the purchase. I like to chew ice and I set this at the little cube setting, and the little bullets are much easier to chew. I also bought a manual ice crusher that works great. My wife likes the cleaning function this has. We did not see it on others. I turn it on every day when I get home from work or when I get up on the weekends, and turn it off when I go to bed. I have ice in just a few minutes, and if I do not want to wait, I simply grab a few out of the freezer that I have made in previous days. I do not leave it running all the day. First of all, to save electricity, and second of all, because if I wake up during the night, I can hear the ice cubes drop if it makes any. We use purified water we have run through our big Berkey. It makes very little noise. The motor is just a little hum, and you can have the ice drop. Great purchase. Love this product and definitely recommend that you purchase it. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.